Hey guys, Justin Lobato here with Autogeek.com, and we are here in Big Bear Lake, California, inside of the Detail and Success Training Center with Rennie Doyle. And as you know, this is the P&S double black line of products. This is the Express Interior Cleaner.
So, you know, Justin, Express Interior actually came out way before we started the double black line. It came out 22 years ago. And again, it was a crowd favorite with all the different users among the P&S customers. And I started using it, and a lot of people don't know this, but Diane and I, my wife, she is crazy about detailing interiors. So not only is it one of my favorite, it's got her approval, which is pretty important.
Yeah, I mean, this stuff, even with me in my shop that's active, we love it because it's, you know, super safe, pH balanced, and traditionally we used to use interior cleaners that were very odor offensive, as this one is more neutral, has a pleasant scent to it. So we actually enjoy using it while we're using it.
Exactly. So yeah, back in the day, we used to take and dilute down, you know, degreasers and all-purpose cleaners, and you just have that smell, that residue behind it, and then you have to kind of clean up the cleanup, if that makes sense. And with Express, what makes it really nice is that it finishes down everything very evenly. Sometimes even the finish looks almost like it's slightly dressed, almost like just fresh.
Very natural.
Very natural.
Very natural.
And the smell, again, it's got a very mild smell. Now the good thing is, you mentioned earlier, is pH balanced. So you can use this on a wide variety of interior needs. And so if you're using it professionally, again, one product does many. If you're at home and using it in your garage, you're gonna absolutely love this product.
Oh yeah, enthusiast, DIY, professional. I mean, you're able to use it on rubber, vinyl, plastic, leather, all those surfaces, safe. You don't have to worry about any adverse effects in regards to it damaging anything, discoloring anything. And that's one of the key things as using a product like this that you want to see.
So we brought you something a little special.
What you got?
So check this out. This is our Express Interior Sidekick. So this is something that's brand new. Now, you love to take and use kind of new age products, something that's changed. Now, the modern day, nothing wrong with great microfiber towels, right? But this scrubber was designed with this in mind. We did a lot of testing. Sydney up in Idaho, and it's one of our crowd favorites. She really went to work on this, and I gotta tell you, this is a game changer.
Let me take a look at that.
Okay, there you go, check it out.
Yeah, that's nice. And the material on this is super soft. So this is non-aggressive, but yet aggressive enough to clean all surfaces?
That's exactly it. And what it's gonna do is go down in all the porous section. It's gonna pull all that dirt out. And again, working with Express Interior, it's gentle yet aggressive. And so we absolutely love it because you're gonna get everything nice and clean. So no matter what level of dirt you've got going on, you're just gonna be rest assured that it's gonna get it.
So I feel something like this would be very beneficial for leather with scrubbing. And that's where I feel some scrub brushes that are on the market might be so aggressive that they may discolor or pull dye in general because you're so aggressive with friction, as to where this, not so much?
No, exactly it. You know, leather's kind of like clear coat on paint. It's got a clear coat over the top of the leather. And so this is going to be gentle enough, but yet aggressive to go down and pull that dirt out, but not damage the surface.
I like how you could get up onto all the contours of that, much less thinking about the steering wheel, how you could wrap your hand and the contour around it and be able to get the whole steering wheel basically without having to worry about scrubbing too hard.
That's why we call it the Sidekick, because working with Express Interior it's a 1-2 punch that you just can't beat.
So Express Interior Sidekick.
That's it.
So the dynamic duo of interior cleaners, basically.
And guess what? That one, we brought it just for you, so you get to keep that one.
I appreciate that. Well, thank you, Rennie. I appreciate it, and this is something I'll definitely be personally adding to my arsenal. But again,
thanks for being here, buddy.
Another great tip, another great product from P&S Detail Products. And for more information about the double black line and Express Interior Cleaner, visit Autogeek.com.